With 4th grade, we do a drone coding unit, and we start with coding, and then they complete like 16 lessons and they get a certificate. And then we have a second session where they come in with me and they practice their coding. And then the third session is all the completers of the coding course get to come in and actually fly drones. But I'm gonna give you some warning here. You are going to get frustrated. It's going to happen. This is a new skill. Can you problem solve through it? Yeah. Yes.
It's a little bit confusing, but I can figure this out. I did it. I did it. What? Are you kidding?
Okay, so 3 to 100. Oh, I know it. You gotta send it to 4
Okay, but you are problem solving here, so this is a good one. Let's keep going. They're problem solving with it because they'll break down, they'll hit things, the drones, and they somehow know, how to fix them and how to fly them. The most amazing thing is that they have these skills and they're able to build upon every year. And then when they go to middle school, they can join Gateway to Technology and continue their coding, and then go to the Vanguard and continue their coding. So hopefully it's just a sequence. I first started this unit last year with my 4th graders. I had one student, he's a 5th grader now, and he came in today with the 4th graders and he helped them out and helped train them, and his parent was even like, where do I get these drones? He really liked it, and this really got him coming into the library, so I thank you for that. Whatever I can tie to books and get them interested and engaged in the library, I try to do, and I know drones are really popular. And then a lot of the ones that said, oh, I don't know if I can do this, they've really just took to it as well, and I think have a new interest.